We're making waffles for breakfast. This recipe makes 8 to 10 large waffles, a crispy outer texture with a soft interior. These waffles are super easy to make, so let's get started. To a bowl we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, this is optional of course, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, I'm using pink salt but regular salt also works. We're gonna give this a quick mix and then set it off to the side. To another bowl, add in 2 egg yolks, save the egg whites, we're going to use those later, 1 3/4 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Give it a quick mix before adding it to the dry ingredients. We're going to whisk this together until we don't have any more lumpies. Lastly, we're going to whip up those 2 egg whites. Once it looks something like this, all nice and poofy, we're going to add it to our waffle batter by folding it in. I add it in half at a time. Also, it's a lot easier to fold it in if you're using a spatula. Who knows why I'm using a spoon? This looks perfect! Grab your trusty waffle maker and brush the inside with a little bit of vegetable oil to keep the waffles from sticking. Pretty much all waffle makers are non-stick these days, nevertheless, it doesn't hurt to do this extra step. This just ensures your waffles pop out with ease. Okay, it's nice, hot, and ready. Load your waffle press with however much batter you'd normally use. Okay, those came out a little lighter than expected. Let's make the next batch darker. Ah, waffles. Look at that, popping out with ease. Last batch going in. So, how do you eat your waffles? I like mine with a big pile of bright red strawberries and a simple maple syrup. That was a super easy waffle recipe. Here's an ingredients list. Thanks for watching. Now go make yourself some waffles for breakfast. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.